Elena just straight, yeah.
Yeah, center please.
Elena right में
Elena
right
straight,
में
yeah. Elena.
Center.
Elena straight, yeah.
Elena right turn हो दो मैम right turn हो दो थोड़ा सा
Elena
Can you
center.
just, Elena, can you just, yeah,
Dan's disappeared, na?
yeah.
She's going.
Look
Just
at
look
please.
straight, yeah.
Elena right excuse me ma'am
ये लाइट चेंज हो रहा है.
Elena straight, yeah.
अरे डिस्को लाइट बंद कर दो. ये ये तो मैं ही दिख रहा है क्या? Elena yeah, left side. Elena, excuse me.
Elena
Elena ये please.
चल इधर जरा चल
मैं ट्रेनिंग पे आना ये थोड़ा लाइट बंद करना
Well, I am extremely proud and honored to be associated with Clear. I completely stand by their whole motto of, nothing to hide and lots to show. I think it's something that I can relate with because when you have a lot more self-confidence and a brand that actually induces that into you can do wonders for you, career-wise and in any way. So I think it's been great. I'm really honored. I think it's nice that they've trusted me to be a part of their brand and be the face of their brand. So.
Personally, अपने बाल का ख्याल कैसे रखती हैं आप? Because इतने
Yeah.
सारे, you have to attend.
That's
so many
true.
events
It's
and so many hairdos. And
yeah.
all that. How do you take care of
It's
that?
very difficult, I think, for us because we have so much of styling to do. We have heat products used, and I think the more you avoid it, the better your hair is. But with us, I think the simplest things that you can do, maintain a good diet, have a lot of protein and lots of vitamin E, and oiling a lot is very underrated. But do that as much as you can. And then again, with all the changes, the weather changes that we have, and especially the stress that we have in our normal lives, you get a lot of dandruff. Dandruff is something that's a huge issue. That's where Clear comes in, and it's actually been a huge help. So it's been amazing. You can see the difference.
What's your criteria to endorse a product?
I've got to believe in it. I have to believe in what they say. I think I need to be able to relate with the motto that the brand has, and especially the one that Clear has. It's and I think the hide and lots to show. It's something about self-confidence, and it's something that I truly believe in, that it can do wonders for you. And that little bit of self-confidence, whether it's given to you even by using a certain shampoo that can make your hair look wonderful, can go a long way. So, yeah,
Any three things which you see when you see the brand endorsement or you're doing brand endorsement? How do you see the first three things in that brand?
I have to believe in it, for one. I have to believe that it actually works. I have to believe that what they say, they actually deliver. And, if I see results, I'll go ahead with it. So that's actually the main thing.
बर्फी के डेब्यू के बाद
जी.
आप बॉलीवुड में भी आपकी फिल्म्स को लेकर काफी क्लियर हो गई है लाइन. So tell us about your future.
Well, I can't really say much right now. I'm actually here just for the brand. But maybe when the time is right, I will tell you about the films, yeah.
Right, you do it for our poster in England.
Yeah.
You tell us about
Yeah.
that. Because recently
We've almost completed it, and it's come out beautifully. Cannot wait for it. It's something completely different from Barfi, so I don't know how people are going to react.
So
But
the title is really interesting.
Yeah,
Could you
it
tell
is.
us something more about that.
Cannot say much about it, but I think people are going to draw their own conclusions. The title in itself is so feisty, and it sort of reveals quite a bit. So let's see.
Also, you have
After
also
Alvira,
done.
you have worked with Shahid Kapoor. So how is Shahid Kapoor?
It's great. He's a really nice guy, very easygoing, and it's such a funny film, So we had to be really easy working with each other. It was very spontaneous. You couldn't rehearse scenes. It had to be very impromptu. So we had lots of fun on sets.
Right, इस प्रोडक्ट की बात करें. So how do you kind of, as a celebrity face, how do you kind of plan to take it forward and kind of reach out to audience?
I think the ad sort of says everything. With us, so everything's under scrutiny, we have these really tight close-up shots, but there's no real chance of anything, being missed. So we have to make sure we look presentable, and we have to make sure that we're self-confident enough to be able to show. and the brand actually does that. It's given me fabulous hair. I've got a very healthy scalp, and couldn't say anything more about it.
Right. इस brand को क्या अपनी future films में भी क्या use करेंगे?
I'd love to, of course. I would love to. It'd just be a way. Yeah, I'd love to, of course. Yeah, I look forward to doing that.
क्लियर आपके साथ साथ अगर बात करें, पहले ऑल क्लियर था, इसके बाद चेंज होता गया, अब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बने, प्रॉपर क्लियर की बात करें तो किस तरीके से ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट के साथ साथ आप एंडोर्स कर रही हैं, लेकिन साथ साथ ब्रांड भी चेंज होता जा रहा है, आप क्लियर बन गया है.
Yeah, and I think it's nice. I think it's nice that they've taken this whole initiative to change it, to sort of reach out to maybe a lot more, a wider consumer range, I guess. And I love the way they've come up with it. It's beautiful. It's very sleek, and it's nice. It gets to the point. It's clear.
Ileana also wanted to know, you also doing a film with Varun Dhawan because we recently have good clearance.
I will talk about it when the time is right. Maybe we'll make an official announcement. We're still in.
There are a lot of speculations about.
Yes, I'm sure there are, but I'll probably talk about it when the time is
Is
right.
it Main Tera Hero, if I'm not wrong?
Well, as of now, that's what's being written about it. I still don't know. I'll have to ask David G what is actually going to be called.
So can we say hero आपके लिए ये जो word है आपके लिए lucky रहा क्योंकि मैं तेरा hero and फटा poster निकला hero.
We'll have to see if Para poster will become lucky for me. I don't know, but I think I'm happy. I'm very happy with the projects I've got on hand, and I like the way my career is going so far. So
And what are your expectations from Bollywood? You've done a lot of films in South Town. So what are your expectations from Bollywood now?
I have actually walked into Bollywood with no expectations whatsoever. I did not expect to be appreciated for my work in Barfi, but when people did, it was really touching. It was very humbling for me, and it feels really nice when not only normal people like the audience actually like normal newcomer like me, but people even from the industry appreciating my work. It was really nice, very humbling, and I'm just taking it as it goes. I'm hoping for better stuff to come my way.
How do you balance your short films also and Bollywood films also?
I guess, I've not thought about it. There's no real plan. If I get a really good script and if it works out and if I have the dates, I'll do it. But my priority right now is sort of maintaining, a balance here so I can establish my career here probably.
And what is success to you? I mean, coming from South, do you feel Bollywood is open to accept newcomers like you?
Definitely. I think not just Bollywood, the entire film industry, whether it's South, whether it's regional cinema, whatever it is very accepting to newcomers. And I think it just depends on the determination you've got. And again, self-confidence takes you a huge way, which is why I even signed up with Cleo. I completely agreed with them. I think the fact that they're pushing the fact that self-confidence is a big thing, and they know that it's important for the youth nowadays, and not just you, anybody, to have it. It's a big deal in anybody's life, and if they can give it by simply using a shampoo, then you can actually make somebody's day.
Styling?
Few actors you would like to work in future?
Oh, there's way too many talented actors here. I wouldn't be able to name any, but lots of them. Why not work with everyone?
अच्छा, स्टाइलिंग की बात हो रही है, तो फटा पोस्टर में आपका लुक कैसा हुआ? क्या क्लियर ने कुछ हेल्प की है आपको हेयर स्टाइलिंग?
Well, I have different stylists for every film, hair styling. So, Clear basically comes in for more of it takes care of my hair after the styling is done. But yeah, the styling's been completely different from Barfi. It's been bubbly, it's been very cute. And it's an entertaining film, and the character is very feisty and very different from the soft character I played in Barfi.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Sorry, but he has to begin with his start.
मैम ले मैम
I'll just need to take this. Sorry. I'll close it.